Like, Karthik, could you please tell about yourself? Where are you from? How did you get to know about New College Academy? The first telephone.
And what have you learned from here?
Yes, my name is Karthik Chandel. I belong to village Palu, a small village in Himachal Pradesh, district Bilaspur. Rich in its greenery, different animal species, plant species you will find. About the New Cadets Academy, I came to know about it from my mentor, who is a captain, Vinod Bhadwaj sir. He told me when I asked him that I think that I need a coaching for my SSB preparation, as I got screened out from SSB Bhopal 22C. And the reason why I wanted coaching was that my digestion part was weak and I wanted a physical exposure. So for getting that, he recommended that this coaching is best. You can go there, and I agreed to him and searched and contacted Fataj sir and came here. The things I learned mainly was my speaking part, as my speaking narration was very bad. I wasn't able to express my views, to tell how I should start my story, how I should write my story, what are the things which I should include. Things are always in the mind, but to express them at the right moment is necessary. I came to know especially the importance of timing, but the importance of timing when you should speak, when you should the statement when it should be written, statement at the last and that the first makes a lot of difference. And these things were the main things which I came to know from this academy.
Okay, how many candidates went in your board?
In my board, yes, in my board, 12 SSB Bengaluru, 43 candidates reported, 18 got screened it, and 1 was recommended.
Finally recommended.
Yes.
Okay, did they ask you to coaching?
Yes, they asked how was your preparation different this time, and which areas did you work and why did you got screened out. Normal things they asked. I told them that New Cadets Academy at Chandigarh. I went there and improved my narration part, and they were satisfied with this answer only. And they asked that how did you came to know, what are your mentors, how did you got encouraged. I told him that it was just 3 months which I have gone on this purpose, and my mentor and the Cadets Academy is responsible for me being here.
Okay.
Yes.
How much question you attempted in SRT?
22 SRTs.
22 already.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'd like to tell everybody here that the myth that you hear that you have to do 40 SRTs to clear it is absolutely wrong. What makes a difference, Captain Sir? Could you please explain it?
Now, what is important is very important. You may do 60, but your chances of selection will not be there. Even 40. Even my friend who has done 22, now sitting right in front of you, he has made the grade. And is the only candidate to be recommended. He had been not recommended or he didn't pass the screening test first. So there is no failure. You can always get into it. Only thing you require spirit, and that we will boost into you. His speaking powers have improved, his writing powers have improved, and that is all that is required. And we ask a candidate to be truthful. Gentlemen, we don't ask people to cram anything. Everything has to be spontaneous. There is nothing known which is known as cramming. We ask people to forget cramming and put their best, and that is the results. My friend is sitting here and he is joining Navy. I'm sure he'll definitely join. He'll be definitely recommended by all the 3 assessing authorities, the IO, GTO and the psychologist. So
Karthik, another question that I'd like to ask you is, very interestingly, you had your interview for 1 hour, right?
Yes.
Did you answer everything in the general knowledge?
No, only 1 or 2 questions I was able to
1 or
answer.
2 questions.
Yes.
There was something related to a book that was asked to you.
Yes.
A book that probably you must have written.
Yes.
In your hobbies, you must have written reading books.
Yes, I said.
You have written reading books.
Yes.
So from reading books, which book did he pick up?
He asked me how old is this habit, and I told him that it's just 1 month older. I started it at the airport when I was getting back from the Bhopal.
Right.
He asked me which book, and I told him Atomic Habits, James Clear, and he started asking questions related to that.
Okay. So what all did you know about this book?
From the author, his history, as it is written normally in the preface of the book itself. When
Right.
it is published, it's also written in the book.
Right.
Everything.
Okay. So what basically, to all of you, what the IO is trying to assess is something that you know, how well you know it. So please be truthful, right? That's what we have heard. And anything different that you saw?
Anything new that we do not at NCA do?
Or something that we make you cram. We don't make you cram any stories. I'm sure you certain TAT pictures, as you said, were the same, right?
Yes, sir. They were the same.
They were the same. But did I make you do any of the pictures, or sir made you do any of the pictures? No.
No, sir.
So they write. You write your own story, right?
Yes, sir.
And only thing happens is the correction.
Yes.
Anything apart from that? Anything peculiar that you want to tell people about SSP? Because you have had screened out, you've been screened out earlier. And what was the thing you think you bring about a change in yourself? For the people who are looking, who think that, okay, I'm screened out, why am I screened out? Do they need to be dejected? Do they need to be sad in a screened out, okay? Or can they improve themselves, and how?
First of all, the introspection is very important. When we are sitting on the chair in the screening test, we know exactly why we did something, but we tend to ignore it normally. We think that no, this is the normal thing, everybody does this, that this doesn't matter. So did happen in my case, many didn't spoke, and I was also the one who didn't spoke and got screened out. In the next part, you first of all in the screening you need to speak. Speak normally, speak politely. Doesn't matter if everyone is listening. The examiner is always listening. He will not see you in my screening part. The examiner was always looking down. He was listening to everybody. He was noticing the voices, how you are speaking, how you are communicating, how well you are getting your story joined with the story of the other people, and it happens all normally. You wouldn't notice any difference, but he will surely do.
Right. Any other recommendation, anything, sir, you'd like to ask?
Anything you was from your part think we are not doing it NCA, you would like us to do?
Practicing part is very fine. Narration is one of the very important things. Speaking is very important. Interview is also going well. Everything is fine. Nothing needs to change.
I hope again for another thing. Did we anyway dictate your STT, or did we correct your self-description test?
You just said do what you are and
Right.
like that.
Right. Lovely, Karthik, and I hope to see you as a great officer.
Thank you, sir.
Wish you best of luck.
Wish you all the best, and
Thank you, sir.
we are proud of you. I hope your parents are really proud of you also.
We are brought pride to your parents.
That's
your
most
country.
important. I hope you've called them up first thing. And what was your father's reaction?
He was very happy. He was at the door and he just ran to my mother to tell her.
That's very good.
Yes.
Okay, Karthik.
Chalo.
Best of luck.
Best of luck. God bless you.